This is Pyle trying to get out of handcuffs. Look at him go.
You only have to get one handcuff off.
Jarek also has one handcuff off. Now he's trying to unlock his bow. This is a delicate procedure that having someone videotape is really annoying.
Pressure's on.
Pi's got it. He's done.
Pym is also trying to undo his lock. Neither one has succeeded yet.
To pick a lock, so that's
an advantage.
you can look up all you want. I believe in you, Chuck.
From the cards.
Look at all these spectators eagerly awaiting someone to get shot. Every one of them in anticipation of someone getting shot today.
I'm just waiting for the sheer panic to start setting in.
No, sheer panic comes when one of them, you hear that lock open. Can I dodge while picking a lock? I don't know.
Oh, it's reset.
That just cost him all of his progress.
He had it too. Oh.
That cost him progress.
He tried smashing the wood. Wait a minute. Bypassing the lock.
Uh-oh. Oh! You gotta get the bow out of it! You gotta open it!
Flip it! Flip the top! Flip the top! Flip the top! Flip the top! Flip the top!
It's banging his ear, doesn't it, Greg? Did he hit the weapon? I don't know. So close. I don't know.
Pick up the arrow!
Maybe you should pick the other handcuff real quick.
Or you can lock yourself into the other side.
What?
It's alright. Let's go. We'll find him.
No,
I've
he's
seen
thinking
one
about
of them.
picking the other,
Oh, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
I know, it's only a leg.
That's a kill. Instant kill.
That's a kill.
Okay.
One shot.
Oh, one shot kill. Oh, and just for funsies, Pym has also been shot. Congratulations, Pym! Oh, yeah!